Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So I'm at Burlington and I had a request to look at the baby clothes. So I am going to check out what baby clothes they have. It's always super cute to look at the baby clothes. So these super cute little rompers and dresses. And everything is between $6.99 and $14.99. They have a lot of this one, little pink polka dots. And this one says fabulous, like mommy, and it has a little tutu. It's so cute. And all the clothes right now are 50% off the ticket price. So I'm loving all these little ruffles, and some of them come with little headbands. And this is like a two-piece where it's a little dress with a sweater cardigan. So cute. And then this is like a three-piece. It's got two little shirts and some jean shorts. Here's another tutu one, and it says Babes Who Brunch. That's so cute. It's like a built-in tutu. And then the other one that comes with it has a little purse on it. It's so cute. And the stores have all just reopened recently, so I think that they have low stock because they haven't got their shipments in, possibly. And they have all these pretty dresses on this side. That one would have been super cute for Easter. And look at this super cute little bikini, a little coral colored. And then they have like some winter clothes on clearance. A little kitten sweater. So cute. Some more cute dresses. So I hope you liked seeing what was new at Burlington in the baby section. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.